Welcome to the Mental Picks, and this is how it looks retail arbitrage at your local stores. This is specifically was done at local Sainsbury's, and check this out. 3 variations of Lego sets, which one was shared on our private group Elite Drops, and basically Star Wars was shared on our private group to our members. Sonic set, again, nice profitability on this one, shared on our private group, Discord group. Another one, this one was shared on our private group, again profitable. This is all 3 variations are really nice profitabilities, and in total is this one about 15 pounds in profits each. So check this out, how many we got. These ones, Sonics, again 10 pounds in profitability, selling on Amazon FBA. Again, some nice little pile. So in total it's going to be about 170 pounds in raw profits basically into your pocket after all fees. So nice little retail arbitrage hunt at your local retailers. All this video is done and uploaded on our Patreon account. So who's in it, enjoy, who's not, join us. And plus, if you want more leads like this in bulk, basically online arbitrage leads, retail arbitrage leads, all available on our private group on Discord. Link below in the description section. And now we're jumping into the video. Retail arbitrage at local Sainsbury's. Let's go. It's gonna be basically a Lego sets, which one was dropped on our Discord private group from our sourcing team, stating we got some multiple sets going on clearance right now at Sainsbury's. And I decided personally I'm gonna go in or at my local Sainsbury's stores and gonna double check what's happening there, because it could be, you know, like multiple sets on clearance too added on top on a side sitting on the shelves, or let's see what we got actually, like what's happening in here. So straight away checking Lego shelves itself, and it is really happening something related to wider sale, means various activities happening, like this one from 45 pounds 25, and it's nice, almost 14 pounds in profits each set. And this shelf is loaded a lot of this specific item, like you see, it's ridiculous. Obviously I need to double check conditions, because some of them is with the tags, and when staff members putting tags, it's nothing good after that, because there is some small damages can happen. And these sets should be on retiring list actually, and collectors wants in best conditions and best shapes as it could be. And I need to be really careful, like this one, see, shadows, so means from these tags is too tight, added these tags, so it's not good. So I think I'm gonna leave a couple on the shelf itself, because yeah, I'm gonna just take best bits. This one is corner damaged, so looks like I need to be really careful with this set. And yeah, some of them is damages, so it's not so great, let's say, but there's so many of them. I think I'm gonna make some nice profits from this only location, let's say. So how many got? 8 already in it. All right. Not so bad, but I need to double check, because there is some loads of red stickers on a shelf sitting. So basically I need to double check everything properly. Like this one, 58, and we got notification on our private group stating it should be on sale. And let's check it how it is. So it's 29. Woohoo! Come to Papa. So it's hidden sale, this one. All right, nice. Like you see, almost 10 pounds in profits each, and we got loads of them on that shelf sitting. So really nice pick up. And obviously our private group members was getting these fresh notifications too. So if you want to get similar shoutouts, fresh shoutouts, not bullshit, not nonsense, you know, like activities pretending we not finding but not existing deals, we got existing deals and fresh ones. How much are they going? I just was wondering, maybe you got in better condition these ones.
No, all we've got on
this is leftovers, like it is, like yeah. So like you heard, staff member said is leftovers, means it's what's left, it is left in this store, specific store. Obviously other locations could be having at the back some loads of options to choose, you know, like, but this store specifically, it's loaded already fully, these shelves obviously, and I think I'm happy with that option what I got right now in this specific store. Obviously these tags with these stripes, it's really not nice situation because it's damaging boxes itself. And Sonic, it's not retiring, obviously investors not interested in this perfect condition, but Star Wars is, I would like to get Star Wars in better conditions, because some small corners damages and these, you know, like not looking great conditions, it's not gonna be looking good as a customer gonna buy that for investment purposes or whatever, you know, collections. But check this out, trolley is loaded fully, basically fully. Happy as hell with this situation. You cannot go better like this. And check this out, another one set, which one was shared on our private group too. I noticed it, so I'm gonna double check because there is no stickers. Ta-dam, 15 pounds. All right, so what we got, and we got almost 7 pounds in profits from this one set. Shame only one was on a shelf, but still, you know, profits are profits, and these are really nice profits. Actually, it's not, you know, like 10 or 20 percentage ROI. This is solid profits, and most of the time these sets gonna be increasing in prices even. So going straight to the checkout, these tags gonna be now the nightmare for the staff members. Because sometimes I notice that when staff members trying to take it off, there is issues appearing. Like these tags sometimes is just stuck and you cannot take it. Like sometimes we need to cut it with the scissors now, or some stores just saying, hey, look, just take it, go home with it and do whatever you want to do with them, because they cannot take it. Like it's too tight sometimes, and to take it off requires to damage item itself. So yeah, these tags are ridiculous. I don't know why stores using for each item. Like you see, on half of it it's used, on half of it it's not. So I don't know what's the reason for that nonsense happening, but it is like this. Showing to my viewers, it's actually I'm purchasing this stuff because there was some couple of comments, you're not buying nothing, you just pretend loading trolleys and not doing nothing. Guys, look, I'm always showing receipts. Like, check my all videos, I'm always showing what I got and for what price and when, so it's clear as day. Let's go, load it up. So this one is going to be about 8 pounds in profits. Sonic sets is going to be 10 pounds each in profits, so really nice profitability of these. Just a couple of sets, basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 60 pounds in profits. Obviously I got some Star Wars too. Whoop. Check this out, Star Wars, how many we got? Star Wars we got even more sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is about almost 15 pounds in profits each. Profits, not revenue, not sales numbers, but profits, raw profits into your pocket. So basically really nice profitability, and in total it's gonna be about 170 pounds in profits. And all these leads was available in our private Discord group, where we're sharing all online arbitrage leads, retail arbitrage leads, and plus most knowledgeable guidances in all United Kingdom related how to sell on Amazon FBA, how to source it, how to be most professional Amazon seller in all UK. Join us, you're gonna love it. So this is how it looks. By quick check your local Sainsbury's or retailers, other retailers, and you can make it easy money by doing the same business model by joining us on Discord group.